On behalf of the Muteesa family, including His Majesty the Kawaka, we're very proud to contribute to the artifacts of the museum, and we thought we would introduce something different that probably has not been seen in the press in Uganda for quite some time.
It takes men of vision like Professor Nawangwe and his colleagues to preserve a place, an iconic and historic place like the former residence of Kabaka Edward Muteesa. We applaud you, Professor, and your team. We shall do what we can to partner with Makerere to ensure that this historic site is preserved and promoted so that people understand our history better. When you understand your history, you can interpret the present and probably you can define the future.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.